सबसे पहले congratulations on कैसी
Thank you so
यारियां
much.
4th.
Thank you.
So as happy as your fans are, tell us कि आप दोनों की excitement level क्या थी when you came to know that the show is going to return with a new season.
तो excitement तो बहुत ही because of course we've had a history with this show and it's coming back because of the fans and because of the love. तो of course ये था कि oh wow, you know ये होता नहीं है. So it's one of the shows which is brought back because of आप सबका प्यार. So हाँ, तो we were very excited and now we're just looking forward कि आप लोगों को episodes कैसे पसंद आए and हाँ.
Parth, do you want to add something?
नहीं, same actually. हम we're looking forward के season 4 finally बाहर आने वाला है 2 तारीख को. So I hope you guys enjoy the show and हमने बहुत मेहनत की है, हमने बहुत enjoy भी किया है. तो उसी के साथ साथ हम आशा करते हैं कि आप लोगों को भी उतना ही पसंद आए.
Right. Okay, so Kaisi Arya has always been a cult show. And you know, people have always associated the two of you with your characters, Nandini and Manik. So do you guys enjoy being associated with these characters even after all these years? या फिर आप लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि now we want to break free so that people accept us in new roles?
Of course, एक point पे अच्छा भी लगता है कि yes, people are liking our show, people are watching our show, people are appreciating our work. This show has such a huge fandom, but at the same time, as an artist, you want to explore and do different, various characters, which can actually enhance your performance. And yes, there is so much to look forward. That's why we are an artist, not to do one particular character. Otherwise, Neeti खुश रहती है अपनी जिंदगी में, मैं खुश रहता अपनी जिंदगी में. But we are here as actors, so we want to explore a lot of characters. That's what the best part about being an artist is, that you get
being
to play.
versatile in
Yeah, you get to play so many characters in one life.
Right. Okay, so going back in time, did the two of you ever think कि ये जो show है ये इतना बड़ा youth success होगा when you guys were doing season 1?
बिल्कुल नहीं. We
बिल्कुल
never
नहीं.
thought that in fact कि हमारा शो 30 एपिसोड के आगे तक भी जाएगा.
हाँ.
Forget about 4 seasons. We always had we were very grounded.
Yeah.
जमीन से जुड़े हुए थे हम.
And हमारे show से बहुत कम
कम
expectations
expectations थी.
और
we
हमने
were
जो
basically-
cross किया level को.
Yes, we were basically the underdogs and the underdogs prevail and won.
Okay, so back then when there was no internet, आप लोगों को मतलब fans का प्यार किस तरीके से पहुंचा था? आज तो खैर
नहीं,
social
in fact-
media.
नहीं, हम जब से आए
When
इंटरनेट
Daria
तो सही.
came, I guess social media boomed
Yeah.
around that time. That was the accurate time when social media boomed.
Yeah.
And actually, I was the last person amongst all the cast members to join social media later on because I was not able to figure it out. What is it? So Neeti was, I think, is one of the leading faces of Instagram.
Yes, I was.
And yeah, and she was getting this constant love and appreciation for her character on Yaria.
And then Parth just took over.
Yeah, then I
Guys.
got all the hatred because at the
Guys,
start I was this.
follow me.
Okay, what do you think makes Manik and Nandini so special for your fans and of course for the two of you as well?
I think उन सब का प्यार कि उनको मानिक नंदिनी इतना पसंद आया. I think उसलिए इतना पसंद आया क्योंकि हमने इतना अच्छा काम किया. So yeah, the credit goes to them only. They love us, so thanks to them.
Okay, how is the journey of your characters going to change in this season?
In this season, all the seasons that you must have seen, के अभी फिलहाल, especially in season 3, college से बाहर निकले हैं. Now they are trying to settle themselves in careers and all. यहाँ पर चीज़ें ऐसी होगी कि वहाँ पर we have live-in relationships, we have relationship issues that a couples face, we have marriage issues that a couples face, we have much beyond what happens much beyond in a conversation, in a relationship के आगे क्या क्या कौन से पड़ा हुआ है. That is the steps to be discussed and how alongside we balance our career.
Our career and हाँ वो it's basically जो हमारे साथ day to day life में होता है, which we experience and we until we see it we are like oh my god this happened to me or this happened to us. So yeah, it's just connecting to a day to day life and to see how where life brings you and where love brings you.
Okay, so what were your first impressions of each other when the two of you first met? क्या impression आप दोनों का एक दूसरे के बारे में?
भूल भी गया हूँ इतने सालों पहले.
इतने साल हो गए
I
actually.
think you should ask about 4th when we got back on day
Okay,
1.
Yeah,
Yes,
how
so tell us-
excited were we?
Okay,
What was our first impression after season 4?
Yes.
so tell us क्या था 4th season में क्या first
First
impression?
impression. Part you start.
First impression जब मैं मिला नीति से season 4 पे कब था?
जब हमको
Reading?
नहीं
जहाँ पे
reading
तुम
पे
आई
मैं
नहीं
नहीं थी.
रीडिंग पे
I was not well.
नीति कितनी बिजी है मतलब देखो.
I was
तब से
not
उसने
well.
डिसाइड कर लिया था कि वो 3-4 शो एक साथ करेगी. बट या when was the first
अरे
शूट पे था सीधे सेट पे.
हाँ सीधे सेट पे था.
हम लोग इतने प्रोज थे कि हम सीधा शूट करते थे. No workshops, nothing.
Yeah.
But yes, I mean,
It was fun. I made a video also. I was like, it's our first day. How does it feel being back?
I guess that was the Muhurat shot as well.
Yeah.
And, yes.
It was nice. It was like a happy vibe and a good energy, and everybody's
Yeah.
positive. And
And nostalgic, in fact. Ke,
Yeah.
yaar, we are back here with the same core team that was
Yeah.
there on season 1 and 2 and
with
3.
3 and 4.
So yeah, so it was
Fun.
a happy feeling.
If there is one thing that you two have learned from each other over all these years of working together and of overall all these years of Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, what will that one thing be?
I think we grow as people every day, and what we learn every time, we keep learning something new about each other and in our characters.
What I think the question should be like, what have you learned from Nandini? The best that you would take it for all your life. And I would say it for Manik.
Haan, you answer first.
I asked you, so you are the one.
I'm thinking.
Ladies first.
Okay. From Nandini, that she has a lot of patience. She's very tolerant, and the way she loves is like, okay, no matter what happens,
She will fight.
she will fight
Yeah.
and box.
She will fight with Manik.
She'll fight with Manik.
But
Haan.
do you resonate with the same?
No.
Okay.
That's why she wants to learn.
Yeah.
Okay. Parth, what about you?
I think it's the kind of passion and dedication that he has towards his love, that is music and Nandini. That is something that I want to have for my profession or whatever I want to do.
Right.
And of course, whoever I love. That
Right.
kind of passion that I'm ready to fight the world